In this video, we show you how to set up a dirt water pump. The package includes a universal hose connector and a check valve. Please ensure you insert it so that it opens in the flow direction. The universal hose connector is compatible with both 1-inch and 1.5-inch hoses. You only need to trim it if you are using 1.5-inch hoses. To begin, we will fasten the hose onto the adapter and tighten the clamp. The device can be operated stationary with fixed piping or with a flexible hose line. This pump features 4 different settings for residual water levels: 1, 15, 25, or 35 millimeters. The 1 millimeter setting is for clear water only. To adjust the residual water height, we follow these steps. Turn clockwise to increase. Counterclockwise to decrease the height. The pump's on and off functions are regulated by the float switch. Fix the switch for continuous operation. If the switch hangs freely, it runs automatically. Switch down means the pump is off. If the switch points up as water rises, the pump is on. We fix the switch for continuous use. Before we lower the pump into the water, we will fasten a rope to this suspension eyelet. Please make sure you tie a secure knot, otherwise you might have to go into the water. Next, we will lower the pump into the water before we connect it to the power grid. For all submersible pumps, ensure a residual current circuit breaker is present for the power supply. Then we start the pump. Further information on operation can be found in our manual. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our customer service.